Bel-Ray's Starflex Steel X is the first modern-day premium helmet on our list. From retro to modern, from budget-friendly to premium, Bell Helmets has made all kinds of motorcycle helmet. Progressive layering. EPO, low-speed impacts, EPP, mid-speed impacts, EPS, high-speed impacts. 3K carbon fiber shell. Improved fit. Integrated speaker pockets. ProTint photochromic shield. Eyewear compactable. MagnaFusion magnetic cheek pads. Antibacterial liner. The Bell Eliminator is the latest classic helmet from Bell Helmets. The design of this helmet is retro-inspired. As a result, it looks classy and fabulous. It has all the features to get a place on our best Bell motorcycle helmets list. Auto DNA. Removable Virus Cool Jade or X Static XT2 interior. Carbon fiber and fiberglass shell options. Provision anti-fog shield with Class 1 optics. Configurable for forced tear use. Class 1 optics. Apart from looks, Eliminator Street comes with great comfort and utilities. 2 different shell versions make it more choice. Moreover, maximum visibility and excellent ventilation make it a great helmet. Moving on, let's look at what the helmet has to offer to its riders.